Welcome once again. Let's talk about fake token. Feed every gorilla token fake. It's amazing to see that this coin fake token have actually gained about $5 million within 2 days. Now the market cap is now trading at about $30 million. Wow, getting $5 million being pumped into fake token in just 2 days is amazing. Now remember, the market cap of fake token as of last year was actually trading between 19 million and 22 million market cap, and now this year fake token have gained about 5 million in 2 days and a total of about $8 million since the beginning of the year. Now it is important to see coins keep getting more market cap because it shows that people are actually buying these coins. People are investing on these coins. People believe that the coin is going to rise, and that is what will also attract other investors to keep buying coins, to keep investing. Now, to me, fake token is one of the best small cap coin. Feed every gorilla token is going to hit, is going to rise. And I believe that with the way the developers actually plan the project, they have the roadmap, every plan they've been planning concerning these coins since last year is actually working for them. Last year, this coin really increased. And let me tell you one thing, fake token is one of the best coins. So many crypto experts have actually predicted that this coin can delete 3 zeros in the next few years. And for me, fake token can even hit 100,000% to 1,000,000% within this year down to 2027 or 2030. Now, fake is one of the best coin. The fact that so many exchanges have already listed fake token. I mean, when you talk about the exchanges like xt.com, get.io, BKX, name them, top exchanges. Now we are hoping to see more will be coming in, and more companies will be trying to partner with fake token. And in terms of Instagram, in terms of Twitter, fake token, of course, people are really talking about fake token, and you can see they are getting so many community. Their social media handle is really increasing, and I'm happy to see that. Now for fake token, feed every gorilla token fake, I think they need to do what I call campaign, just like what Floki did. If fake token can run a social media campaign, an offline campaign, it is going to help fake token to really increase. And I think that this is the time fake token should actually run a serious campaign, because people will get to know more about fake token, people get to try to buy, and now it is easier because you can buy this coin on Gate.io, you can buy this coin on xt.com, you can buy this coin on PancakeSwap, Uniswap, you can buy it on BabySwap, you can buy it on BKX. So you see, so this actually bought my fake token using Gate.io. That was last year, okay? And for me, I think fake token is still going to increase. Fake token is going to pump. Now please, let's keep hoping for the best to come, and I believe fake token is going to be one of the biggest coins. So now remember, this is not a financial advice, so please can do your own research before taking any decision.